What trends have you seen in the past 5 to 10 years in terms of patients regarding excessive screen time?
Okay, so in terms of excessive screen time, we have patients for ADHD, like their attention span is really less, and they come to us, and the patients who are more anxious because of watching more on screen, so they become anxious about things, they're starting imagining them in their brain, and the patients we have are stress and depression.
How do you take this at your more with your children about reducing their screen time?
It took me 5 years to do this, right? To bring him to time zero because when he was born, तो उस टाइम पे मैंने इसको स्क्रीन नहीं दिखाता था since he was the only one और आप किसी के घर जाते हो फिर आप जब when you come to your grandparents home.
Good morning, assalamu alaikum to you all. Today, we're really honored to have Dr. Ikra Saeed with us. She is a clinical psychologist and has been internationally certified as an NLP coach. Her expertise are in behavioral therapy, CBT, positive psychology, timeline therapy, and NLP coaching. Ma'am, we're thankful for your time.
Thank you so much for having me.
Ma'am, our first question to you is, what trends have you seen in the past 5 to 10 years in terms of patients regarding excessive screen time?
Okay, so in terms of excessive screen time, we have patients for ADHD, like their attention span is really less, and they come to us, and the patients who are more anxious because of watching more on screen, so they become anxious about things, they're starting imagining them in their brain, and the patients we have are stress and depression. So these are the things that are, we have seen more patients regarding who are having the history or somewhat it is related to the screen timings.
So, has this ratio of the patients increased over the past years?
Yeah, it's increasing and it's terribly increasing now in the young generation, especially because we are all the time having mobile in our hands and we are not making the use of media in a positive way. We are just making the use of media. We are going towards the negative side. We are not consuming it in a positive way. We are consuming it in a negative side. So what you have in your hand, you need to consume it in a positive way. So when we go to the negative side, it harms us. It harms us mentally. So that's the thing that we need to make use of the things positively for us.
In your opinion, what are the main reasons for increased
Right. Increased screen time could be of that when you are a student. For example, let's talk about you. Okay, so since you're a student and you go back, you have a really tough day at schooling, go back, and you have this concept in your mind that when you go back, the only way to relax is just scrolling by. So you think that is the only way to relax at home, right? Or put some Netflix show on the TV and you're eating and you so this is the perception. Our perception is getting wrong for getting relaxed, for getting our time, for getting the me time. Why we have all this sort of me time as scrolling or by, just go to our room, lay down on the bed, you just scrolling by. Is that a me time? No, it's not. Me time is like when you are focusing on yourself. Me time is when you are reading about yourself, talking to yourself, self talk, that is the me time, not the scrolling. So, it's basically the perception that is going wrong in the wrong direction.
So, what do you think is the ideal amount of screen time for the youth to maintain a healthy balance in their lives?
Right. So, okay, I'll take from the birth side, okay? So, when a child is born, the first 3 years, especially the 18 months, which research has said a child should have zero screen time. Now, when you move forward a little bit, till the 5 years of age, just give that much screen time कि जितना बच्चा absorb कर सके वो over stimulate ना हो जाए. Like the shows like Cocomelon or Papa Pig, or there are some overly stimulating cartoons and songs for the kids. तो बच्चे का mind it cannot work properly at that age and time. तो वो इतना over stimulate कर रहे हैं अपने brain को इन्फॉर्म देखिए हमारा brain है इतना सा. So जब either it's for us or the children, like our brain is this and we are putting this much information. So what do you think our brain is gonna do? Bombardment हो जाएगी. ठीक है, it will get stressed, it will get anxious, हमें signals भेजेगा. All of our problems start from our brain because what we feed, the brain tells body to work. So हमारा जो feed हम जब ठीक नहीं कर रहे हैं, what we are putting information in the body is not correct. How we want our body to function properly. So what we have to feed our body, like for children of your age, I would suggest the appropriate time put should be on the weekends. Like my kids, their time is restricted only on the weekends. But the weekdays, they are bookmarked. They have to study, they have paint kar lo, bahir jao, play with something, explore nature, talk to your friends, play with someone. That's very important, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
What do you think are the consequences of excessive use of screen, especially on mental, physical, and social well-being in our youth?
Okay. So there are tremendous, or अगर मैं इधर बैठ के start, you know, telling of all you, I think it'll take a lot of time. But yes, one thing which I had just told you now is the bombardment of information. So when you have this much of brain and you are putting this much information in your brain, the scrolling and letting and after the, would I say it again?
Yes, Samita.
Okay. So when you have this much of brain and you're putting this much of information in your brain, right? So what happens? Bombardment हो जाएगी. ठीक है? आपका brain to information को it won't be easy for your brain to access the information. Your brain will become more anxious. You will become more anxious. When you become anxious, when you think of the future, ठीक है? The future things makes us anxious in the present state. So for example, आपने you have seen a video, आपने कोई रील देखी है Instagram पे, guys in Morocco is over there. यार मोरक्को जाना है, यार ये करना है, यार गाड़ी लेनी है, यार ये बिजनेस करना है. But what you're doing at that time, you're just bombarding your brain with so much information. It's not positive information ही जा रही है. It's a lot of information you're putting in your brain. So the anxiety, the stress, and especially that attention deficit. आपका attention span ही नहीं रहता है. You're 10 minutes you are reading and after that you're done. अब मोबाइल खोलना है, जो मोबाइल पास पड़ा हुआ है, 10 मिनट आपने पढ़ा है, 20 मिनट आप मोबाइल यूज़ करोगे, फिर रखोगे, 2 मिनट पढ़ोगे, यार चलो कोई रील देख लेता. तो योर अटेंशन स्पैन बिकम्स ज़ीरो. Either you're reading the book, either you're doing your book, or either you are, you know, whatever you're doing, your attention span becomes zero. So you need to limit the screen so your daily personal life becomes better.
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, you just stated that children of our age should have like 2, 3, or even less productive screen time hours. Ma'am, acknowledging the fact that nowadays this smog thing issue that's really harming us, and many health issues and concerns that the health department of Pakistan is inquiring, and sometimes like it just happened nowadays that the schools suddenly just shifted to online, and the time span for the school hours was the same,
Yeah, it was on.
8 to 2:30.
Yeah.
So staying in front of a screen for 8 to 2:30, almost 6.5 hours, do you think that what do you think should the student like us do after that, instead के like हम अपनी classes को तो नहीं छोड़ सकते.
Yeah.
So what other things should we do to balance it out?
अच्छा, so what you have to do in that aspect is like, for example, मैं ये बिल्कुल नहीं कह रही कि you don't have to be on screen just on the weekends. Since we are in a generation where avoiding screen is totally not possible, right? So if you are in front of the screen and you have the online classes, and sometimes like recently I'm taking my online classes and उनकी timings है रात के 8 से रात के 2 बजे तक. So I'm up like from 8 to 2, right? So it is not possible to avoid screen at all time. What is more important, when I get break during my those sessions, I go up, I walk. I don't scroll mobile, बैठ के reel नहीं देखती हूँ. I'm like most of the people, like I'm pretty sure कि जब आप लोगों को क्लास से थोड़ा सा ऑफ मिलता होगा, what you do, mobile देख.
It's only 20 minutes of
Yeah.
fifth lesson.
Yeah.
That's only 20 minutes of
Yeah.
fifth lesson.
या मोबाइल देख लो, कोई रील देख लो, किसी फ्रेंड को रिप्लाई कर दो. You are away from the screen, still thinking of the screen. The perception, right? What I do is not मैं बहुत वो हूँ. I had my lot of shopping, but what I try is I do a nice pinch out myself. I go and I had tell my sister, let's play badminton. In those 30 minutes, I do whatever possibly is healthy for me, क्योंकि स्क्रीन पे बैठना, shoulder stretch है, brain stretch है, टांगे stretch can stretch out for self. You have to be on the screen. It is the, you know, अब need है आजकल की उसकी, but stretch out yourself, move out. एक स्क्रीन से दूसरी स्क्रीन पे मत लग जाओ. Move out and go something else, ताकि ब्रेन को थोड़ा ब्रेक मिल जाए. ब्रेन को तो इतना हमारे ना हार्मोन है जैसे मेलाटोनिन. When you are putting so much of the light of the mobile, which is very dangerous for us. Why we have the night modes in our mobile? Like we have it because हमारे उस मोबाइल की लाइट इतनी वो तेज होती है कि it destroys our eyes. It destroys our brain. What is eyes connected with the brain? So it destroys our brain, and brain has thoughts, brain functions. So it destroys all of our body and all the working of our daily life. So एक स्क्रीन से दूसरी स्क्रीन पर मत चले जाएं. Give your body and bring some time for that. Yeah.
Okay. So, after
Pick up a nice question though.
so after this all, what do you think could be effective solutions to reduce this excessive screen usage?
Okay, the first thing I always tell my clients is, if you want to, this is the thing. If you want to, if you are willing to do that, if you think that excessive use of your screen time is harming you in your personal life, only then you can do that. Okay, now you are at pause that you want to do it. Now what you'll have to do, you have to note it down that what excessive use of screen is doing to you. You have to make points on that. Like you are अपने parents से दूर हो गए हैं, you have less communication with your family, you have less communication with your friends, you are struggling somewhere in your personal life. Note it down, pen it down, jot it down. ठीक है? Once you have all the points in your उसमें जब आपके पास पता चल जाएगा कि in which part of your life you're lacking because of excessive use of screen time, start working on them. वहाँ पे if you need any help, consult a psychologist, go to a therapist. If you think you can do it on your own, that's very well done. Good of you. You have that much of awareness of yourself. But if you're unable to do that, consult a therapist over there.
Okay, so we're talking about how to reduce the screen time, as we can never just make it zero. How do you take this at your move with your children about reducing the screen time?
Oh, it's a tough one. Right. So, right. मैंने अपने बच्चों पे I restrict screen time on the weekdays. They have zero screen time. But लोग कहते हैं कि how is possible? मुझे ये overnight नहीं हुआ है, ठीक है? I have like my eldest son is 5 years old, माशाल्लाह. और मुझे overnight नहीं लगा. It took me 5 years to do this, right? To bring him to time zero, because when he was born, तो उस टाइम मैंने इसको स्क्रीन नहीं दिखाता. But since he was the only one, और किसी के घर जाते हो, फिर आप जब when you come to your grandparents home, they प्यार में और उसमें भी बहुत कुछ बच्चे को सिखा देते जो नहीं, लेकिन एज अ मदर को पता होता है कि दिस इज नॉट गुड फॉर माई चाइल्ड. बट यस, यू हैव टू पुट अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट. और इसमें छोटे जो एजेस की माएँ, स्पेशली 0 to 10 years of age, and even a child gets older, a mother has a very important role. And with the mother, the next important role is the environment. मैं हमेशा ये बात कहती हूँ कि where the environment makes you, the environment breaks you. So the environment is very important. If मैं अगर अपने बच्चों को मना करी, don't play with my mobile, and I'm playing with my mobile, do you think he's really going to listen to? No way. Why would he listen to me? He's imitating me. He's looking at me. 7 years से बच्चा imitate कर रहा है, वो देख रहा है, चीज़ें observe कर रहा है. 5 साल के लिए उसका ज़हन पक्का हो रहा होता है. My son has learned most of the patterns. जो मुझे सोचती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है अच्छा इसको ये हाँ तो भी चेंज करना है. या I had a long list actually कि मुझे अपने बेटे को कहाँ कहाँ बेहतर लाना है. See, तो I have to put a lot of effort every day, every moment of my life. ठीक है? तो it's like a mother has a great role in this. The second role is played by the family, by the father. With the father figure, it's not there. Sometimes fathers को बाहर जाना पड़ता है. They are too busy with their work. So the environment where the child is living, that's very important. So हाँ, उसके लिए मुझे अपना मोबाइल कम करना पड़ा. उसके लिए मुझे बुक्स के साथ अपना रिलेशनशिप ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग करना पड़ा. उसके लिए मुझे अपने बच्चों के अंदर पॉजिटिव हैबिट्स इंस्टिल करनी पड़ी हैं और मुझे तब भी उस चीज़ों पर चलना पड़ा. एंड the most important thing, I've started playing with my kids. कि उनको कह के बाहर जाके खेलो, I don't do that. I go with them. I play football with them ताकि वो engage रहें, ये देखे कि मामा भी engaged हैं. तो they get that कि ठीक है यार, मतलब मामा भी, she's also here and she's not somewhere else and playing with mobile or watching TV. और उनको ये, जैसे मैंने आप ही को नोट किया होगा, when you were young, छोटे के, और जब हम पेरेंट्स हमें कमरे में सुनाने के लिए भेजते देते, हमें लगता था क्या कर रहे हैं पेरेंट्स, क्या कर रहे हैं, राइट? क्या टीम पे देखा. और जब मुझे याद है जब मैं अक्सर बाहर निकलती थी तो मुझे माँ कहती थी हम गुलाब जामुन नहीं खाए, गो टू स्लीप, गो टू योर रूम एंड स्लीप, राइट? तो वी आर सो क्यूरियस अबाउट आवर पेरेंट्स बिकॉज वो हमारा, वी आर द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल दे सेट फॉर अस. सो वी आर ऑलवेज क्यूरियस अबाउट दैट. So it's like setting the positive, behaviors for your child so your child can imitate those behaviors.
Ma'am, you just talked about the environment that it breaks and makes you. Uh, Nowadays, I don't know about past as I was not in my senses at that time, but till the time I have started being in my senses, I have been seeing that most of our friends go for sleepovers, parties, and all that stuff to each other's house, and the parents just allow them. So, obviously, you can just talk about your child and control his things, not someone else's. But when he is at some party or sleepover, do you think that parents should allow this? That their children should be going and coming back at 11, 12, 1, 2, or even staying at their houses and just enjoying the environment?
Okay, it's a little bit a controversial topic. Or may I don't want parents to get me wrong, but this is the actually the Western thing that is live in our culture. ठीक है हम एक वेस्टर्न कल्चर को अपनाने के लिए वी आर डूइंग दिस सेंडिंग आवर चिल्ड्रन स्लीप ओवर के लिए डूइंग कि हमारे टाइम में नहीं होता था आई नेवर बीन टू माय फ्रेंड्स होम और हमें मुझे तो ये भी अलाउ नहीं होता था कि मतलब मैं जाकर उसके फ्रेंड के घर के बाहर बेल होने से को बाहर आ जाऊँ बिकॉज दैट सम थिंग्स आर एथिकली नॉट गुड इकोलॉजिकली सम थिंग्स आर नॉट गुड तो हमें दिखता था कि व्हाट इज इकोलॉजिकली गुड सी sleepovers I don't mind, but I will not allow my children to go for the sleepover thing because I don't like it. Because at that age of point in time, children are like your age. You're very sensitive and you're very prone to information around you. You had a lot of information in our time, right? You have a lot of access in our time, and you can do whatever you want. You can go to any access you want because you got everything just on one click. So, what do you think that if you go for a sleeper with your friends and your friends have a lot of information of the other stuff, the negative stuff, and he's gonna put that on your brain, you think that your brain really gonna function? It will. You will go towards that side. You're going to start thinking about those things. क्योंकि एक अथॉरिटी फिगर मौजूद नहीं है वहाँ पे तो पेरेंट्स बच्चों की ग्रोइंग एज में अथॉरिटी फिगर्स का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है पहली बात और दूसरी बात बच्चों को भी चाहिए दे शुड अंडरस्टैंड द फैक्ट दैट राइट इज़ राइट रॉन्ग इज़ रॉन्ग आइदर फॉर फन मैं सब ग्रोन अप को ही कह रही हूँ राइट इज़ राइट रॉन्ग इज़ रॉन्ग आइदर फॉर फन इफ़ यू आर डूइंग द रॉन्ग वंस यू हैव डन द रॉन्ग इट्स रॉन्ग और पता है बस गलत एक बार पहली बार करने पर लगता है आपको लगता है कि ना गलत करें after that it becomes a habit. That's what happened with the screen. The first time you use your screen till 2 o'clock at night, it becomes a habit for you. You don't find it कि खराब गलत नहीं है. You find it okay. You find it all right. So yes, I am not at all that person who just sleepover वाला है वो. I would never do that. And I would put that in my children's brain. Oh, but look, it's anchoring, right? What is anchoring? Anchoring is like you're conditioning your child's brain. You're conditioning your child again. Like now you both are looking at my hands, and I have seen this that when I put my hands down, you see it again. It will now why is my moving? So I have anchored you people with my hand. It's the anchoring that happened that you starting reinforcing you're starting to inspire enough people. You started conditioning your brain towards certain things. Okay, so if your child is going for sleepover और अगर पेरेंट्स को लग रहा है कि दे आर उनको इस बात पे पूरा चार्ज दैट दे हैव दैट कंट्रोल्ड ऑन देयर जो मैंने आपकी पेरेंटिंग की है दे आपको चार्ज ऑन देयर पेरेंटिंग कि हाँ उन्होंने अपने बच्चे का जहन एंकर कर दिया नाउ ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनीथिंग विच इज इकोलॉजिकली नॉट गुड फॉर हिम मैं एथिकली की बात नहीं कर रही आई एम सेइंग इकोलॉजिकली इकोलॉजिकली इज लाइक इकोलॉजिकली जो चीज़ें करेक्ट नहीं है जो चीज़ें विच आर हार्मफुल फॉर यू नॉट गोइंग टू डू दैट आर यू गोइंग टू डू इट नो नो राइट बट यू हैव डन इट
Yes.
see sit down yeah why because us time point of time pe you had a lot of information and you wanted to use that information and that information became negative when you have a lot of information your brain can have only this much of space and you're putting a lot of information what do you think well, where the better information will go it's going to go towards the negative side उतनी information भी जितनी चाहिए उतना knowledge भी जितना चाहिए feed your brain with positive content feed your brain uh, consciously do this effort. Let me tell you, when you are going to put in your brain something consciously, your unconscious mind is going to become aware of that thing. Consciously, you're reading a book, your unconscious mind will tell you to read a book. Every time you will finish one book, your unconscious mind will say, read another, read another, read another. या आप अपने unconscious mind को train कर रहे हो. Fall in love with your unconscious mind. Fall, someone is calling. Okay, fall in love with your unconscious mind, right? So when you will fall in love with the unconscious mind and you will put a positive information conscious in your mind, trust me, you will see a lot of difference. सिर्फ पेरेंट्स ही नहीं बच्चों की लाइफ में भी डिफरेंस आएंगे, राइट?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm really thankful to you giving us the insights about increased screen time and its impacts. And trust me, your words are illuminating a lot. And we're really thankful for your time. So
Thank you so much for having me, and I hope whatever I said brings some change to yours or everyone who is listening to it. To the bye.
thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, ma'am. And with this being said, bye bye.